I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss. Y'all, I don't think I ever came to Walmart so fast as I did this morning. I made the decision to add veggies back. It's just a Terri decision. And I never have been so excited to come to Walmart. It is so stinking funny. I was like, I'm going now. And I'm like, well, maybe I should wait a little bit. Nope, I didn't. I was so stinking excited. I'll show y'all what I got when I got home. It ain't serious, but it's like I was so excited to come get this, running by all the candy, all the smell good stuff. Nope, I wanted some veggies. Ha ha. Here's the funny thing. I haven't even had my coffee this morning. I woke up, threw some stuff in the laundry. This is the broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, spinach. I woke up and I was like, if I'm going to add some veggies back, I need some veggies. But I'm being strategic. I'll keep going. I love this. Love it, love it, love it. Tricolor coleslaw. It's great as a salad. It's great to cook. And it's already cut up. A couple peppers. A couple onions. And then, come on now. I ain't wearing this shirt for nothing. Yeah. The very last word down there. The rutabaga. You know. They're so ugly, but they're so good. So I got me a rutabaga. So, yeah. Yeah, so I want to be strategic in having bland things that I'm adding back right now. And I could see later on. I kind of want to just test something out this week. I want to know about the food noise. Food noise is something that I struggle with. And when I'm carnivore, I don't have any food noise. So, but I don't know. Oh, and all that was $20. It was 19 something, but I rounded up for the Children's Miracle. Anyway, whatever it was. But anyway, so I don't want to have a bunch of flavors. What I want is, hang on, I'm down here doing something. I'm down here in my, oh man, I'm down here in my bowls. I'm not wanting a bunch of like sauces. I kind of wonder if some of that is what gets me in trouble, is getting all those bright flavors of things. So I'm going to try to keep it a little low key. So like not having a salad yet. So like the spinach, I'll cook. The cabbage, I'll cook. So just having those things cooked. Having these raw, I didn't buy anything to dip them in. I don't know if I have anything, but so, maybe even steaming broccoli. So I'm going to try to do some basic things. So yeah, I really would like to try adding veggies back just to see what happens. I know one thing, every time you buy these, the cauliflowers are so stinking huge. So you always have to cut those apart. So I'm going to cut those up, and I'm going to kind of get things kind of, I don't know, in an organized way for me. Okay, so I cut up 2 onions, and I have 2 peppers. This is 1 rutabaga. I use this in different ways. You can use it raw, you can use it cooked. So I have 1 rutabaga, and then these, what I did was some of them were really big, so I made them small. So I'm just going to eat them. I know, you're hearing me crunch, sorry. But yeah, that's my meal prep today. So we'll see how I eat them this week. So I've renamed you-know-who from Ziggy to Alexa. And the logic behind it is, before when I was saying Ziggy, my phone thought I was saying SIRI. And so I would tell it to set timers or ask it questions. And it's kind of funny. She used to not do that, but she's gotten a lot more sensitive in the past couple weeks. So I'm like, all right, fine. So I renamed everything. So if I set any timers, there's going to be more of y'all who I set your timers off. I made a bunch of bacon. I baked it. I've had about a piece and a half. And then I popped in the freezer because I want to take that to Vegas when I go. Don't ask, I'm being weird. What do we have for lunch today? Well, let me tell you. I done told y'all what I chopped up. So I have I didn't use it. First, let me say that. But I have a veggie steamer. I didn't use it. I found that if I just put vegetables in a bowl and put like a lid over it and just microwave it, it steams it just fine. But so what I have in here, hang on, let me aim it down. I add a splash of water when I steam them, and just a splash, and so that water is down in the bottom of this, and then I sprinkled on. It's probably gonna be too hot to take a bite of. I sprinkled on or squirted on some of my Melinda's Thai sweet chili sauce, but I've got carrots, broccoli and cauliflower, some little onions. See, that one's kind of stuck in there. Onions, about four slices of rutabaga. See that steam? And then 2 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So that is what I'm having for my lunch today. I have a fork and I have a spoon. So I figure at the bottom, because veggies kind of get a little mushy after you steam them. So at the bottom, I might have to use a spoon. Y'all know I'm going back into my veggies. I miss them so much. I just want to kiss them. It's so funny. I still haven't even had caffeine this morning, but I did drink my. I drank one of those decaf Starbucks, that little packets that you sent me. I still have some of those, and so I had that. But then because I wanted my collagen and my creatine. So I had a decaf coffee. It's funny, my nails they're a little softer today than what they were yesterday. I don't know if that means anything, but when I first paint them, they were nice and stiff. And I guess as the polish dries, they're a little more softer. But what do I know? That's what I know. I'm about to eat that. I'm about to tear in some chicken and veggies. I ain't had that. And I mean, I know I eat some veggies here and there sometimes, so I know I've not been strict carnivore, but I've not like gone out and bought a bunch of veggies to process, and that's what I did. I'm excited. I could have put a couple peppers in there, but we're just, like I said, trying to keep it low key, not a bunch of added flavors, because I don't want to get that dopamine rush. I just want to kind of see how things go. And so, yeah, we're going to see how it goes this week. All right, see you next thing. Well, hi, fancy meeting you here. I'm trying to figure out where will be the best place to be. Every year on 4th of July, I just do the same thing. I hunker down, medicate. Palm head, Lord. Sometimes I forget just how big my forehead is, but that's all right. It's my forehead. It's been a good forehead. It has served me really well for 54 years. Anyway, usually what I do is I medicate the dogs, and then I go lay in my bed, and I have my Alexa playing, what's her name? My device playing, Alexa, stop. Alexa. Hey, Alexa, stop. For heaven's sakes. Alexa, stop. That's what I get for saying her name. Anyway, I'll have her play brown noise throughout the house really loud, so that it's just kind of, anyway, we have a thunderstorm warning coming right now. So who knows, but I'm trying to decide if I want to have brown noise and just be in here and play my game. So that way it's going to happen. And I could at least have fun if I'm playing my game. I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyway, a couple things. So I know you might say, okay, Terri, you're adding vegetables, but what are you doing? But you're still eating the same meat. Well, you're right. Today, for supper. Okay, you see that right there. So today, for supper, I am eating one of my chuck roll steaks. Well, part of one. But what's different, curses. I let it sit out at room temperature with salt on it. I just want to see what happened. But then I forgot to put some more seasoning on it, but that's all right. We'll just use salt. So anyway, okay. So what am I going to be doing different when adding the veggies? So this is the same chuck roll, and usually I either had it in 1 or 2 servings. Well, I cut it into 3 servings. But there is a little pork loin in here. It's a holiday. Shut up. That's a bite of pork loin. So and your mom saying, it's a roast. It's chewy like a roast. Because it is a roast. But anyway, so that chuck roll, I divided into 3 servings. My 93%, I'll be dividing that into 3 servings. So a little less calories with the meat so that I can add some veggies. So this is spinach, a little bit of rutabaga, peppers and onions. Like I said, I would like to just do seasonings for a while and not a whole bunch of sauces. I just want to see how things go because I don't want to throw myself to where I'm like, oh. So I took all the veggies, so spinach, onions, rutabaga, and peppers. I put that in a bowl and then I just steamed it in my microwave for 5-6 minutes. I sprinkled some Greek seasoning on it. Some adobo with black pepper. And that's it. Like I said, I'm just trying to introduce things slowly. So, really, my, hey Ziggy, oh no, hey Alexa, what is 16 divided by 3?
16 divided by 3 is about 5.33.
Okay, so my meat servings are going to be a little less than 6 ounces. And then I'll have the veggies. And I'm just going to see how things go with that for a while. Because I'll still have the... my gelatin is available like in the afternoon and at bedtime. So I just want to kind of see what that is. Oh, and this, I made it last night. I wanted to kind of be a little festive. It's strawberry, keto chow strawberry and vanilla. Yep. When I used to go to Steak and Shake, I used to get either a chocolate and vanilla shake mixed together or a strawberry and vanilla shake mixed together. I just like that flavor. So that's what I did. I made my own strawberry vanilla ice cream and it's fancy. So yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. I'll keep you posted as we go along. I just miss vegetables so much and it's so funny. I can't believe I was just like skip my coffee this morning just so I could hurry up and go get veggies. And I left the laundry going. I usually don't, like, I set a timer even And I was like, I'm going to get some veggies. It was like, I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, we'll see if it makes too much of a dopamine hit. We'll have to rein it back in. We'll figure something out. But trial and error. But I love you all. But that's my thought process is I want to be adding in some veggies, to keep my calories in control. I'm going to pull back a little bit on the meat. So it's still meat based. I'm still eating plenty of meat. Don't be getting all paranoid around here. It's the same way I was eating on my way down. So, all right, bye.